timeless roadcraft and chrome-bound nostalgia unfold when the 1961 Plymouth Deluxe two-door Suburban Station Wagon is remembered. A car that stood at the crossroads of utility and style during an era when America's highways were expanding as fast as its automotive imagination. Join our journey, become a part of our growing community, and help us keep these rolling legends alive. Subscribe and ride with us through stories that keep automotive heritage burning bright. The 1961 Plymouth Deluxe two-door Suburban was a unique entry in Plymouth's full-size lineup, combining the practicality of a wagon with the sleek appeal of a two-door body. It carried the futuristic styling cues of Chrysler's early 1960s designs, including the controversial forward look that gave it sharp angles, clean lines, and a presence that made it distinct among station wagons of the time. Plymouth's wagons were available in multiple trims, but the Deluxe two-door stood out as a more affordable, family-oriented option with flair. Under the hood, buyers could choose from a wide range of engines, starting with the dependable 225 cubic inch, producing about 145 horsepower, and moving up to V8 options like the 318 cubic inch and the 361 Golden Commando, capable of delivering up to 305 horsepower. These engines were paired with manual transmissions or Chrysler's push-button TorqueFlite automatic, which became a futuristic talking point in itself. The wagon offered practical cargo space, fold-down rear seating, and rugged suspension for suburban life, while still projecting an image of performance and modernity. Over its history, the 1961 model marked the final year before Plymouth adopted more compact proportions in response to market changes. It represented a transitional design period, bridging the tailfin era of the late 1950s with the cleaner, boxier looks of the mid-1960s. This shift makes the Deluxe Suburban an intriguing collectible today, as it embodies both flamboyant styling and forward-thinking engineering. In today's collector market, the value of a well-restored 1961 Plymouth Deluxe two-door Suburban can range from $25,000 to $60,000 depending on originality, condition, and rarity of trim. Compared to rivals like the Chevrolet Nomad or Ford Ranch Wagon, the Plymouth offered more distinctive styling and a wide powertrain selection at a lower price, which made it popular among budget-conscious families of the era. As a piece of automotive history, it remains a symbol of American ingenuity at a time when wagons were not just family haulers, but also cultural icons of freedom and progress. Its legacy shines on, celebrated by enthusiasts who restore and showcase its charm. Be part of our community. Help us honor machines like this and keep the stories of these forgotten treasures alive.